Happy morning, Nandakumar sir.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning.
Have a wonderful
Happy morning, Gokul.
Morning, sir.
Happy morning. So, the basic and first essential question: are you happy? Are you thinking of to be happy? Are you looking for happiness? Or are you trying to be happy? So, it's you don't need to answer to me. You just think of what actually you want to do. The reason why I am asking is, as you all know, so I think Gokul, you can shift your mobile to the horizontally. So everyone in this world, more than 98% of the people lies whenever we say, how are you? So because most of the people says, no, I don't want to give any negative thing. I want to be positive. That is the reason why I say I'm happy. But actually, you should feel it. You should mean it whenever you say something. So there is an index called World Happiness Index. Every year they publish it, and believe me or not, India places 139th position out of 149. All the neighborhood countries, being it Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, they are much ahead of us. So think once, what is the importance of being happy and how the position of our India citizens. Okay, so first, before getting into an beautiful exercises, I'd like to give you some biological background, scientific background about the happiness chemicals. There are 4 major chemicals which actually helps you to be happy. That is the reason why these 4 are known as happiness chemicals, and also we call it as dose. All the first letters of this dose represents this happiness chemical starting with the D, dopamine, which is also known as reward chemical. Whenever you complete a task, being it a smaller one or a bigger one, whatever it might be, whenever you complete something, yes, na mudichitanda na senjita, you get this dopamine. Dopamine always improved. And doing a self-care activities, whenever you say self-care, do it for yourself. Don't think that it's a selfishness. Whatever you do, remember, out of 24 hours, 6 hours you need to plan for yourself. Okay, remember, 6 hours to be given to yourself, 6 hours to your family, 6 hours to your profession, and 6 hours to the nature. 6 into 4, 24. Then only your day will be fruitful. And eat the right food. Eating a food for the namesake and eating the food whatever you get is entirely different from eating the food what you like, actually what you love. That actually improves the dopamine. And celebrate the little wins. Doesn't mean that winning a World Cup only you celebrate. Celebrate each and everything. Whatever you do, celebrate it. Say, hey, superb, wow, fantastic, I did it. Celebrate it. And comes to wow, oxytocin, love hormone. Whenever you share and care love with someone, being it a pet, being it a small kid, playing with them, holding a hand. So sometimes you want someone's hand to hold it, right? Whenever you are in stress, whenever you are feeling so bored or dull. And hugging your family members, being it your kid or your partner, your friend or your parents, and giving a compliment. Hey, you did well done, tapping on the shoulder, superb, and giving a thumbs up or like, giving a shake hand and say well done. All these things improvise the oxytocin, the love hormone. It will make you more lovable person. And yes, serotonin, the mood stabilizer. And there is a beautiful myth in this world that only the women have a lot of mood swings. There's still a myth. Men have much more mood swings. And everyone has the mood swings. It depends on the situation. And men doesn't show it up. That's it. That is the reason why we feel that this is the only woman has a lot of mood swings. How we can overcome with those mood swings? Do a lot of exercise, meditation, walking, running, swimming, cycling, and exposure to the sun. Don't expose to the sun during the afternoon times. Do it either morning, sunrise, or evening sunset. And whenever I say walking, do it in a beach. Beach would be the preferable and beautiful therapeutic approach. If you don't have a beach, go in a park. Okay? If you don't have a park, go in the fields, farming fields. If you don't have farming fields, go on a beautiful places where you can see a trees, where you can see greenery things. Be with the nature. And while walking, don't use the slippers. Okay, so that will help you. And finally, E for endorphin. This is also known as painkiller. There are many people who used to take painkiller for everything. Whenever I say, no, I'm feeling pain. Even for headache, there are many people who used to take the painkiller. See, medicine should not take as a food. Okay? Food should not take as a medicine. Remember this basic principle. If you keep on take a food like medicine, you have to take medicine as a food. So you need to be careful while taking the medicine and food also. So what are all the things which will help us to improve the endorphin? Laughing exercise, one of the beautiful exercises which we are going to do at the end of the session. And essential, yeah. Did you say something, Vijayalakshmi ma'am?
Not higher.
So
Not here. Not here. Not.
okay, when I say essential oils, so it's better to consume groundnut oil. Okay, so this is one of the good thing for you. If you don't get a groundnut, you can use the sunflower and not the palm oil. So that's a good thing. And watch a comedy shows, being it a Tom and Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, or whatever the comedy shows, Siri, or Aditya channel. There are many channels where they are doing a lot of comedy shows. And eat dark chocolate, and unfortunately we don't have a pure dark chocolates in our country. And do some exercises. Always prefer it. So let's get into our exercises. We are done with the theory part. So are you all ready with the smiley challenge? Shall we? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes, we are all ready,
Sit in a
sir.
comfortable position. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of entire yesterday, starting from morning till the evening. Think of everything and everyone who made you happy. Think of one beautiful moment who made you so happy, which made you so happy yesterday. Think of all the things around you. Visualize, recollect what are all the things you can visualize during that moment. Recollect what are all the sounds you can hear during that moment. Recollect what are all the feelings and touches
Wonder
you have
Samali.
during that moment.
Those pindi pulsipoyina.
Yamini, mute. Think of all the aspects. Feel you are so happy. You are into that moment. You are so happy. You feel you are into that moment. You are enjoying that moment. And now slowly blink your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face, and you can see a blank screen on your white screen on your device. If you are into mobile, just touch on the white screen. You can see a pen or pencil on the left bottom. You can pick that pencil and choose any of the color and start drawing a smiley, beautiful smiley, which represents your moment, happy moment. Only the smiley, not the drawing. Don't draw it in on another one's smiley. If someone draws on your smiley, don't worry. You can just erase and go it in somewhere else. Be patient so that one by one you can do it. Otherwise, you can look for a space around wherever it's empty and you can do it. Yes, I can see Nandakumar sir drawing. I can see Gokul's drawing. I see Yamini is drawing. I see Vijayalakshmi ma'am is drawing. I see Dhanalakshmi ma'am is drawing. Venkatraman sir, are you there? I think he left. Once you are done, you can raise your hand. In reactions, you can see an option called raise hand. So if all raise their hands, I know that everyone finished their drawing. Yes, I see 3 hands raised and still Vijayalakshmi ma'am and Dhanulakshmi ma'am, they are drawing. Yeah. Good, good, good. That's fantastic. Now we'll move on to our next exercise. Now sit in a comfortable position again. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Slowly, normally and gently. Exhale. Now again, slowly inhale. Now, think of one activity which you want to do today, which will make you so happy. You want to do this activity today, which will make you so happy. Definitely want to accomplish the task. Think of all the things you require to finish the task. What are all the things you require to finish the task? Think of everything which will help you to finish the task. Feel the essence. What are all the things you require to finish the task? Now, slowly inhale, exhale, and feel how you will feel when you accomplish the task. How you feel. Others would be saying when you accomplish the task and look at you, be happy. Feel how your family members feel about it. Feel how your kids feel about it. Feel how you think about it when you accomplish the task. Okay. Now, slowly exhale. Start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. And you can see a beautiful screen on your white screen in front of you. What we are going to do is you can draw. On your name. Don't go in other one's ground. So you have your own borders. You just draw on your own border. Okay. So you have your own space. This is how the life would be. Don't get into other one's nose. Okay. So you can start drawing. Start draw, which represents your happiness, the happy task of the day. Don't bother whether you are a good artist or not. Just represent whatever you feel. I see Nandakumar sir yet to start, Vijayalakshmi ma'am yet to start, Maheshwari ma'am yet to start. Since the childhood, we've been used to look at the green color tick mark to be happy and giving a green color tick mark on your name. And unfortunately, Nandakumar sir has overwritten on that green color mark. So I'm giving another green color tick. I'm sharing my love and care towards your beautiful drawing. You can see a love in front of your name, a beautiful love. And you are the star performers of the day. You are the best and you are the greatest artist. You can see a golden star next to your name. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, you are ready to start.
Completed, sir.
Where you completed, I don't see any design in your name, in your box.
This is, so you have given box
Yeah,
horizontally. I didn't see.
you placed it in Uma ma'am's thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is this. Oh, okay, okay. Its name
Okay.
also written here, no?
No, Vijayalakshmi, it is here.
Ah, yeah, it's here.
Yeah, Uma ma'am, you didn't draw. Rajalakshmi ma'am, நீங்க draw பண்றீங்களா?
ஓகே சார்
Okay. What
எனக்கு
I'll do
ஸ்பேஸ்
is,
இல்லைங்களே சார்
I'll rename. ஏன்னா இவங்க மகேஸ்வரி உமா மேம் போடல.
ஓகே
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, over, sir.
Yeah. Rajalakshmi ma'am is about to do.
எனக்கு
தெரியுதா மேம்?
ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லைங்க சார்.
லெஃப்ட் சைடு,
தெரியலைங்க சார்.
லெஃப்ட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாட்டம்.
ஓகே சார், நான்
Can you see it?
லெஃப்ட்ல. ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
I don't know how to draw. Don't worry. No one knows.
Okay,
When
sir.
we started, no one knows how to draw. We are practicing.
sir, okay,
Everyone is practicing. Don't bother about it, Uma Maheshwari, ma'am. So we are all representing what we feel so happy. That's it. That matters a lot. Once you are done, we'll start with the beautiful interpretation. So look at the next one's image and we'll see, because you thought something in your mind. You feel something in your heart. You represented something on your screen. Let us see how others look at your drawing and what they say about your drawing. The reason why we are doing this exercise is always we don't think about what we feel. We always think what others feel. அவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்களோ, இவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்களோ, இது செஞ்சா என்ன நினைப்பாங்களோ. So don't worry about all those things. Always focus on what you do, what you feel, and you'll have a beautiful interpretation. So once Rajalakshmi ma'am is done, shall we start, ma'am?
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
Super, fantastic. Now, what I'm going to do is we'll start with the Gokul sir. Gokul sir.
Yes, sir.
So please share your perception about Nandakumar sir drawing.
Nandakumar sir remains the patam, which we forgot nowadays. The kids don't have these things like we had in our lifetime.
Super.
It remains the thing beyond the sky.
Good. Nandakumar sir.
Yes, sir.
Vijayalakshmi ma'am's drawing.
Yes, sir. Very colorful star twinkling on the sky.
Wow.
Colorful star twinkling on the sky. Thank you, sir.
That's fantastic. Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Rajalakshmi ma'am drawing.
Rajalakshmi, ma'am.
Left. I'm showing the pointer. Left side, bottom left.
Bottom left.
Left.
Gokul sir, Nanda Kumar. It's me.
Gokul sir the kinda. Gokul sir bomma kinda bomma. Below to that Gokul sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rajalakshmi ma'am. Today's sunrise.
Super. That's fantastic. Rajalakshmi ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Dhanulakshmi ma'am drawing பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது? What do you feel?
தனல் சார், எனக்கு வந்துட்டு ஒரு பாக்ஸ் மேல குக்கர் ஏதோ ஒரு பாத்திரம் வச்சிருக்கு, அதுல சைடுல ஆவி பறக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுது சார்.
Super, fantastic. Dhanulakshmi ma'am.
Cooking.
Dhanulakshmi ma'am.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, Yamini oda drawing.
Yamini alagana maram. Gulam, sir.
Good. Yamini, Gokul sir drawing.
Yes, sir. Mountain with sunrise and a river bank.
Yes, fantastic.
Beautiful scenery, yeah.
So, whenever I say perception, what you feel, because we are thinking about the happy moment, right? So, what you feel, what you perceive. So, for an example, after looking at this beautiful sunrise and the hills, he wanted to go to a place. He wanted to leave all his worries. He wanted to go alone to be with the nature, to enjoy that beautiful sunrise, to feel the essence of love from the nature, Mother Earth. That is what his expectation is all about. Correct me if I'm wrong, Gokul.
Yes,
So,
sir, exactly.
so like this, everyone will have a different perception. So this is also called as a picture analysis or drawing analysis. It comes under psychology. So I don't want to get into that thing, but whenever you say, share your perception, interpretation. Perception is what we are seeing and what we are getting. Okay, looking at the mirror, we get the reflection. But looking at that reflection, what we feel is our perception. Okay, so when we look at it and introspect, when we ask ourselves what it is, what they are thinking, what they feel, all those aspects are nothing but interpretation. By using that image, you are building something, you are interpreting something. So that is what interpretation. We learn this art over a period of time. So first, initially, we are into the phase where we can analyze another one's image. Now we will understand, we are converting the art of perception into a art of interpretation. Hope you got my point. So I want each and every one of you to learn this art, because perception always differs. Perception is just way how we are looking the things. As I always used to say, write a 6 on the floor. You stand in front of 6. You say it is a 6 to the entire world. But whoever stands in front of you, they say, hey, fool, you are wrong. This is not a 6, this is a 9. They always say, yes, I am right, you are wrong. The world is like that, because their view is different and your view is different. Unless they come to your place or you come to their place, no one knows what is the fact. Both are right. That is the reason I always says, there is no right or no wrong in this world. Just our perception. And don't bother what others says. Always focus what your mind thoughts, what your heart feels, and do it in your actions. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this exercise. Did you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We enjoyed, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. We are done with the smiley challenge. We are done with the superb drawing. And it's time for our beautiful self-appraisal. Yes. Whenever there are many people, even in your circle also you can find such kind of people. Always they say that நான் எவ்வளவோ பண்றப்பா, ஒருத்தரும் மதிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க, நல்லது பண்ணாங்கன்னு ஒரு வார்த்தையும் சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. People they say that no one praise me, no one appreciates me. In fact, in the corporate culture, we can see many people, no one recognize my efforts. Don't bother about those things. If you are doing a right thing, obviously you will get the right support at the right time. So don't worry what others will do. Start appreciating yourself. Whenever you wake up from the bed, start appreciating yourself. Keep saying, I am the best, I am the great, because you are the best and the greatest person in this world. No one else. Everyone has that qualities to become a best and greatest person. So let's be a self-appraisal. Before going to bed also you can practice this. Let's take our left hand, keep it on your right shoulder. Right hand, come on, say shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, 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 shabash. More, shabash, shabash, shabash. And doing this exercise, you should say shabash. That shabash actually motivates. Okay? So come to a next beautiful technique, gratitude exercise. Gratitude should be the part of our attitude. We should thank everything and everyone who made us happy. Always, whenever you thank someone, use the phrase thank you, not just thanks. When you say thanks, it is an anonymous. Whenever you say thank you, I am thanking you, each and every one of you, for being here. You are addressing the person whom you are thanking you. Don't never ever say thanks. Always practice the art of saying thank you. So now we are going to do an exercise. Open your hands, Straighten your hands, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. And think of everything and everyone who made you happy since yesterday. Being it your mobile, TV, screen, laptop, whatever it might be, dresses, food, everything. Think of everyone, being it your parents, family members, colleagues, neighbors, everyone whom you met. Let's thank them from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 12, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. And slowly release your hand. Start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. I'm just muting everyone. Now we are going to next exercise a self hug. When you hug someone, you relax. You will release all your worries or your feelings. Okay? So inhale, wide open your hands, raise your head up, and slowly exhale as such. Your right hand is on top, and hug yourself with a warm hug. Feel each and every cell of your body is feeling your warm hug with a beautiful smile, unconditional love. And slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Raise your head up and slowly exhale as such. Your left hand is on top, and hug yourself with a warm hug, beautiful smile, unconditional love. Make sure each and every cell of your body is feeling your love and care. Now slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Rise up and head up. Slowly exhale as such. Your right hand is on top, and hug yourself. Love yourself. The warm hug. Feel the essence of beautiful love, unconditional love and care. Make sure each and every cell of your body is feeling your love. Now again, slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Inhale, head up, and slowly exhale as such. Your left hand is on top, and hug yourself with a beautiful smile on your face, and feel the essence of unconditional love and care on yourself. Love yourself. Make sure each and every cell of your body is feeling your warm hug, enjoying it. Now slowly release your hug, release your hands. Now we are moving to our next activity. Happy task of the day. Remember, my dear friends, pick any task from this list, or even you can pick any task which will make you happy, being it eating, watching TV, listening music, dance, sleeping, cooking, doing your work, drawing or painting. So whatever it is, designing, whatever the act it is, be happy. Enjoy it from the bottom of the heart. Have a complete focus and attention when you do any task. Whatever you do, at least for a couple of minutes, have a complete focus and attention. and love that task. When you love it, you will be happy. Now, our beautiful, lovely Smiley came here with a beautiful dance. Are you all ready to learn and practice? Laughing alphabet. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'll teach you, my dear beautiful nursery kids. I'll teach you the rhymes. First, you start with the alphabet. First, I'll say, then you can practice. Ready? Start. Whenever we say this is a laughing exercise, there is a difference between a smile and laughing. Smile ends with the lips and raising the cheek. But laughing is wide opening your mouth like a villain in a movies. Ha 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 ha. Like this. Okay? You should wide open it with a big sound. Ready? Start. Ha ha.
Ah,
Ha ha.
ah,
E e.
eh,
He he.
eh,
Oh oh.
oh,
Ho ho.
oh,
Eh eh.
eh, eh,
Hey hey.
eh,
I
eh, eh,
oh oh.
oh,
Oh oh.
oh,
Oh
oh,
oh.
oh,
Haha.
ah, ah, ah,
Haha.
ah,
Fantastic, fantastic. That's great. We are done with the laughing alphabet and we are going to sing a beautiful rhyme. So make sure there is a beautiful facial expressions and body motions and body postures. And ready, start. Start. Okay. Ha 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 ha.
ah,
He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. How 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 how. Hum ha 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 hum hum ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha 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 ha. Now raise your hands up and laugh loudly as such you are releasing everything. Ha 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 Superb, superb. Release all your worries, all your stress, mental stigma. Now it's time for our final activity, random acts of kindness. According to the research, those who give back to the society, they would be more happy. Here you have 12 beautiful kindness acts, which doesn't even take more than a minute. So you can pick one out of them, do it, feel it, and if you'd like to, share it with everyone and feel the joy of giving back to the society. Okay, my dear friends, thank you for smiling. Thank you for giving your smiles. Hope you enjoyed the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you, thank you. Happy. Have a lovely and smiley day. The day is yours. Enjoy it.